If you click this video today, not only are you probably looking for the best upholstery and carpet cleaner on the market, but you're likely looking for something that is not toxic in 2025. With all the information we're learning about toxic chemicals, that is one thing that we can all agree on that we're looking for. But if you're like the average person and you're noticing that if you've tried multiple chemicals out there that claim to be not toxic or natural, you know that they struggle to actually clean. They struggle to clean things properly. And I've had that same struggle too over the years until I found this product. It's called Rocket Revive It, and it's by Bonnet Pro. You have probably never heard of the company before. This one is not toxic, and it actually effectively, legitimately cleans things properly. And when you're done, it is such a satisfying smell. It's also the most satisfying touch. When you're done using this product on your couch, on your seats, on your carpet, it has this just buttery soft texture and feel. It restores that feel to these fabrics that I really love. Now, I want to caveat really quick and make sure I get this off the table. I am not sponsored by these guys whatsoever. They don't pay me to share this product with you. I'm not an affiliate, so I'm not benefiting from this company and sharing it. I just feel compelled to help people that are looking for something to use for many purposes. It is a universal product, and I have kids. I'm sure you have kids or might have kids someday. You have customers that have kids. If you're in the automotive detailing space like me, or you're in a commercial cleaning business, or you're getting ready to start a commercial cleaning business and carpet cleaning, you can use this for basically all of that. The company also, just so you know, I don't want to overwhelm you, but they do have other products as well, but this is the one I found that is most universal that I really enjoy. I can use my hot water extractor. I've got a commercial Mighty Light 8070 heated extractor for my automotive detailing business, and I use this with that. It's low foaming. It does not crystallize after you're done. You don't have to vacuum up all the crystallized junk on the seats and carpet when you're done. It's as simple as using a spray bottle of your choice, diluted. Only if this is highly concentrated, you just dilute it with about 4 ounces for something this size, 2 to 4 ounces. The instructions are really simple on here. You can use it in multiple ways. You can also use just simple microfiber towels. You spray and wipe, and you would be safe doing it that way as well. And you can actually get really good results like that. Whether you just have a quick stain or some dirt you got on your couch that you want to clean up really quick, you can simply spray it and wipe, and you would not be leaving behind a nasty residue. You don't have to worry about heavily rinsing. You know, it's kind of recommended, but you don't have to. You don't have to worry about that. Another awesome benefit that is often overlooked when you're choosing cleaning products is this one specifically leaves behind a protective barrier when you're done cleaning that is called AFT technology, and it protects against resoiling. So a lot of products you use, once you're done using it, it acts like a magnet towards dirt, grime, and all the junk, all the oils on our skin. It basically, after a few weeks or just a short month, you'll notice that your upholstery is getting dirty again really fast. This is not like that. It actually is not a magnet to it. It also can be used at low temperatures. You don't have to use a hot water extractor with this stuff. Which a lot of products out there do. You actually have to use hot water or the product won't work. Don't have to worry about that with this. Guys, if this video brought you any value today, make sure you hit the like button. I appreciate you watching, and comment below if you have any questions. My name is Alan with Highlands Auto Detailing, and I hope you have a great day. Take care.